Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to collect feedback from a particular site. So we are going to examine whether the particular feedback is positive, negative, or very negative. So we are going to analyze those using our sentiment analysis model. So in our previous session, we have made an initialization of our AI model which we are going to use. So let me go back to the AI fabric. So we have already deployed our ML model which we are going to use. So let me go to the UiPath Studio and start our flow. So we have already created a workflow. So what you have to do, so we are going to collect the feedbacks from a particular site. So this is the test site which we are going to use our session as a pre-requirement. So you have to download this particular package in your UiPath Studio workflow. Just go this one. Just go here. So in your all packages, so you have to search for this particular package. So I have already installed this one. So you have to install this. So once you're done with the pre-requirements, you are ready to go to this particular site and you have to extract the data. So before that, let me manually show you what is the site actually. Just copy this one, just go here. So this is a kind of a trip advisor site, so where it has a entire feedback of the particular trip. So I was going to use this particular page, so where it has 3 stars and then single star, 1 star again, so 5 stars. So it's kind of a mixed review. So we are going to extract this data and then our bot going to predict whether this particular feedback, so which is given here, is a positive one or it is negative one. So it is going to analyze those and it is going to give a confidence score as well. Let me close this site now. Let me go back to the UiPath Studio. So we have to use an open browser to open the particular page. Let me drag and drop those activity which is required for our action. Open. So after that, just try to give a maximize window. Just try to insert your URL, or you can create a variable and then you can pass it over there. Let me create a variable which is URL and then pass the value over here in a double quotes. Perfect. And then you can call this variable. Before that, don't forget to mention your browser type, so which you needed. So just mark the URL variable over here. So there's a particular page will be opened up now. So in a maximized window. So this particular action will help you to open the site in a maximized window. So after that, we have to scrap the data, right? So let me save this and let me run this now. Let me wait for some time so that our page will get loaded and it got popped up. Our page has got popped up now. So we can see all kind of review over here. So what we are going to do, we are going to extract the particular data which you needed. So what you can do, just go to the UiPath Studio now. So our execution is done. Perfect. So what are you going to do? So you're going to extract the data, right? So data scrapping. So what I'll be doing, I'll be capturing the name as well as the review now. So first of all, let me capture the name and then so the review comments as well. And then you have to highlight your second element. So let me highlight this one. Wait for some times so that we can ensure whether all the names got highlighted or not. So you can ensure whether all the names got selected or not. So you can just scroll up and scroll down once. So you're getting a window here. So just make it as name. Perfect. Just click on next. Yeah. So the next one. So you have to click on extract correlate data. So we have to extract all the feedback as well. Let me control plus F2 to make a delay. So we can select this particular review and then so we can go down and select one more thing. Yeah. So we can select this one and we can name the column name as review. Next. So here you can see all the data got extracted now. So as the name of the person who posted review as well as the review comments. So let me click on finish. So once I clicked on finish, everything will be recorded on the particular data table. So I will no need to spanning now. So just click on no. So if you want to traversal to each and every page, you can click yes and you can highlight the next button. So what I'll be doing, so I'll be just writing this data in the Excel to make our data has been initialized. So after the data got initialized, I'll be start uploading one by one using the for each in the ML skills. Let me go here. Let me drag a Excel scope, or you can use a workbook activity. Anything is fine. Let's go there, and you can create a file and make test data, or you can make sentimental test data. So anything. So sentiment analysis data. Let me make it as very clear. Data.xlx. Yeah, sounds perfect, right? So here you have to make a right line, sorry, right range. So drag a right range, drop here, and then sheet name. So you can make it as your wish. Let me name it as data, and then don't forget to click on this add headers, and then you have to call the variable. So you have to change the scope of this particular one. Just go here, try to change the scope to a center, and then once you're done, so just go here and then call the particular variable which is extract data table. So till now you have just opened this particular site, you have scrapped the data, and then you are going to write it in an Excel. So these are the steps which will be carried out in the feedback data extraction. In our next thing, in our next session, so we can discuss about predictive analysis, so how to make the ML skills in active to upload this data, and then how it will be predicting up based upon the confidence score. So we can check this on our next session. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.